Hey, what's going on? This is Tara and I'm representing Mascara. And I wanted to jump on here today and do a tutorial or a quick demonstration of a really simple, easy skincare routine that'll help you keep your skin just absolutely fabulous. I also want to share some tips while I'm doing it because, you might not be ready to buy right now, but you might be ready to know about some things you can do right now to help you have better skin and feel better in your skin. First off, I want to thank so much to Angelica Koch for putting this all together. Really excited to be here. This is my first group event like this with other vendors, and it's pretty exciting. I think it's wonderful. I hope you guys are enjoying what's going on and all the different things that are available to you for your Christmas shopping. So, with that being said, I want to go ahead and get started. I have to take my glasses off for a second because the first part of this is I'm going to spray my face with a cleanser. Now, I am demonstrating with you the Tres Leches Classic, and this is absolutely wonderful. Let me make sure I'm picking up the right one. So I'm going to show it to you. This is beautiful packaging. I absolutely love it. It's amazing. And this is the cleanser. And so what you do is you shake it, and it's a spray. That's why I took my glasses off, because if you have your glasses on your head, you're going to get your glasses all cloudy, because this is a milk cleanser. This helps exfoliate your skin gently using the properties in milk, and milk is really good for your skin. I know back in my 20s I used to spoil myself once a week with a bath. I'd buy 3 gallons of whole milk and pour it into my bath water and soak, and my skin was always wonderful. So I suggest that you guys do that once in a while. It's really, really nice. So, and if you can get your hands on raw milk, I would do it with that. But I'm going to go ahead and get started. Sprayed on my face, right? Smells wonderful. Not overly perfumey. It's not like that. We have a hello, Allison. Thank you for hopping on. It's not overly perfumey like some stuff. Like when you go to the Rite Aid and you get like L'Oreal or Olay, that stuff is like, what? I don't want any of that on my face. So this here, I'm going to rub it in now with my fingers. Now make sure your hands are clean. And this is just going to... Don't forget your neck and your chest, guys, when you're doing your skincare routine. Just saying, it's really important. So that's super simple. With our Tres Leches, when you buy the whole kit, you get 3 microfiber cloths that are absolute luxury. And it's really nice to clean your face with that. So you're going to have this already warm. Hello, Jerry. And you're going to wipe it off. And you might hear some background noise. I'm a real live woman. My name is Tara. I live up in Vermont with my family, my daughter, her boyfriend, and my granddaughter. And I'm all about family. Family first. That's my thing. My mom lives right nearby, and I spend time with her every day. I homeschool Stella. This year she will be in regular school, though, for a little while. Hello, Megan. I can't believe I'm actually reading without my glasses on. It's amazing. So... let me go ahead and continue. I was asked to do a post with a picture of myself and write a description. I fall apart with that. I'm better at video, so I figured I would just let you know who I am and connect with you right here, right now. So the first step was the cleanser, super easy. This step is the toner. Absolute heaven. Go to my website and check on the skincare on face and look at the ingredients on this thing. It's ridiculous. Hello, Linda. It is absolutely wonderful. You like rose water? Well, this will take it to a whole nother level. So I'm going to spray my face down really good. Because the delivery system on these is so precise, it's going to last you a while. I've had this skincare system for 6 months. Pretty sweet. So I'm just going to kind of let that sit there while I talk with you a little bit. I'll put my glasses back on. I like to let the toner just kind of sit there. If you're in a rush, you can go faster than that. You don't have to let it relax, but I figured I would go ahead and get started with some of these tips. I have 8 here. Number 5 is probably going to make you go, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe that doesn't make you shy. But I want to go over these tips with you and let you know some things that you can do right now that are going to help you feel really good in your skin. Number 1, remove the saying from yourself that I don't like to drink water. Just remove it. Because if you drink water, your skin's going to love you. Nothing like dehydrated skin. So you want to make sure that you're drinking a lot of water. I always recommend half your body weight. You can go a little bit less than that or a little bit more than that, depending on what your goals are as far as everything else involved with your health. But your skin really likes to have a hydrated body, and you don't want to pull any of the hydration from your skin to take care of your insides. So you want that all to be really balanced, okay? Number two, and this, it might be easier said than done for some. Maybe some of you already are eating really well. But this is kind of a twofold thing. Avoid highly processed foods, okay? Just avoid them. Get rid of the soda. Try not to eat out of a box. Try really, really hard not to do that. Go for whole foods. Reach for things that you have to make yourself and whole foods. And if you're really busy like I am, try to give yourself a couple of hours every weekend to meal prep, even if it's just getting some basic stuff done like your sides and whatnot. So whole foods are important. And this other part that I want to add to this, and a lot of people, especially traditionally, people have thought this is a bad thing. It's not. It's really good for you. Include a lot of healthy fats into your diet. I'm telling you, you'll lose weight, and your skin will love you for it. So you want to include healthy fats, and that means no more vegetable oil or canola oil. We'll leave that alone. Start using whole butter again. The more budget you have for that, the better. You know, you want to try to get grass-fed. If you can't, just relax. I never reach for unsalted butter because there's an additional chemical in that. So I always just go for regular butter. And according to my budget that week, I depend on what kind I get. Avocados, if you like them, add them to your day. You know, just eat them. Avocado oil, olive oil, bacon. If you're eating whole meat, especially if you can get your hands on grass-fed, phenomenal. Whole meat, don't trim the fat off your steaks anymore, eat it. Don't pull the skin off your chicken anymore, eat it. Your skin will love you for it, and eventually you'll start actually feeling more satiated, and that leaves, you know, that makes you less stressed out, and that's important when it comes to skin. Number three, sleep, 7 to 9 hours a day, period. And if you need to take a power nap, take it. Okay? Make sure you're getting your sleep. Number four, I always, every week, manually exfoliate my skin. I do different techniques all the time. I don't always do the same one all the time. But you want to make sure that when you manually exfoliate, now what does that mean? My dermaplaning, derma needling, using an exfoliator that has like a manual, like you could use one of those brushes. You want to make sure your face is super clean, and you take an extra step by witch hazeling it before. And then when you put your products on after, they're going to even be more effective. So make sure you're doing some sort of exfoliating once a week, okay? Number five, and this is the surprise one. You ladies out there with partners, increase your sex per week 3 times or more. And the reason why is your body produces a hormone that increases the elasticity of your skin, and you just can't find it anywhere else. And that's called progesterone, okay? So increase your sex life, start having more sex with your partner, and enjoy yourself, okay? It's good for your skin. Number 6, I'm going to put some cream on. This is the third step, just a moisturizer here. And before I continue on the steps, this is a vacuumed, so when I pop it up, it gives me what I need. Sometimes I'll do it twice if I want extra, but I will get to use all of it. I'll never have to scrape the bottom of this. That's amazing. That's probably why it lasts so much longer. I'm not using too much when I don't need to. So, number 6, take the focus off your wrinkles, guys. You're getting older. It's what's happening. Your wrinkles come from all those laughs you've had, all those tears you've endured, everything. Those are just part of what's going on. Instead, I'm going to double up because I want to go down my neck. Instead, start putting the focus on the clarity of your skin tone. So, I've got really good light right now, so I look perfect. I'm not. I've got 2 little red spots. My goal is to kind of keep that nice and exfoliated, and when I put makeup on, you know, I want to cover that up more than I want to try to disguise wrinkles. Because guess what? I'm 48, and no matter how old you are, you could be 32, 25. It doesn't matter. They're yours. You earned every one of them, and I think they're sexy, and I think you should start thinking they're sexy too. Okay? So start focusing more on evening your skin tone rather than scrubbing wrinkles off or something like that, because they're just going to happen. Now, if you're doing these kind of tips here, you're going to have a more supple face, and they're not going to be as noticeable, which is great. If you're exfoliating once a week, your skin tone's going to be more even, and that's going to make everything better. But I like to focus on women just letting go of the fact that they're getting older and start focusing on just having super clear skin, okay? Now I can put my glasses back on. I can't believe I'm, like, what, some miracle's happening. Number 7, do your best to take your makeup off before you go to sleep. Okay, I don't always get this done. Luckily for me, the makeup I use doesn't hurt my skin, and I can wake up looking beautiful. But you want to try to have your skin clean and nice and moisturized before you go to bed, okay? That's probably something everybody knows. And this last one is kind of another twofold tip. You may already be doing this for your hair. I hope you are. Especially, you know, it doesn't matter if you're a woman and you have hair, you want to take care of that hair. For some reason, this is not such a problem with men, but that's okay. That's them. This is us. Sleep with satin pillowcases. It's even better for your face. You know, when you're tossing, if you're having one of those nights you're not sleeping well, and you're tossing and turning, your face is rubbing up against the pillow, and it's cotton, and that, you know, it's nice, but it's not good for that. You're pulling unnecessary oils out of your face that your skin is making while you're sleeping. You're also wrinkling your face, and if you're worried about wrinkles, that's not what you want to do. Satin is gentle on your head, so go and get some satin pillow covers and put them on your pillows. All right? I am completely done. If I wasn't talking so much, I could have done that in 3 minutes. Tomorrow, I will be going live on my time slot, and I will be showing you, I will demonstrate the makeup that I use and how I can get a full face on in 5 minutes. And you guys got to be the one to watch and test me and see if I did it, okay? Because I can do it. And when I'm doing it by myself, I get it all done. So I'll have the video, and then I'll stop. And I'll say, okay, I'm putting my makeup on, and the countdown will begin, okay? So I want to thank you guys so much for hopping on with me. And check out my links. Feel free to browse around. If you have any questions, go ahead and message me. I'm here for you. And if you like tips like this and you want to learn more about like microneedling or dermaplaning or all the other things that I do for beauty, join my Simple Easy Beauty group. Answer the questions. If you don't answer the questions, I'm not going to let you in. That's why they're there. It will pop up when you request to join. And that's what's up. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you hanging out with me. And I'll see you guys on the other side. Peace.